Alright everybody, welcome back to my channel. Eat carbs, not animals. I am doing something a little different. I just ran over the bridge, but before I did 20 squats before I started. And now I ran over the bridge, so I'm on beach side, and now I'm going to do another 20 squats because I just feel like it. So here we go. I'm going to do some squats. You can do them however you want. This is the way I do them. Do squats wherever you are. Do squats. As many as you can. Even if it's just one, start doing them. If you can, just try. They're good for you. They're good for your thighs. They're good for your butt. They're good for your hips. They're good even exercise for your knees. Slowly go down. Look up some YouTube videos on good posture and whatnot, but I think I pretty much have some good posture. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready now to jog back up the bridge, and I'll see you guys next time. The beach is this way behind me here, so I gotta say goodbye. Bye beach. So anyway, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.